Hi. Let's solve a puzzle. There is a river with a wooden raft in it. On the left side of the river, there is a farmer, a goat, wolf, and a cabbage. The puzzle is to shift all four of them from one side of the river to the other side. But there are some rules to follow. These are the rules. Rule number 1 says, the farmer is the only one who can steer the raft. And, he can only take one passenger in addition to himself. So, at most 2 things can go on the raft. And, only the farmer can operate the raft. Rule number 2 says, if the wolf and the goat are alone on the same riverbank, the wolf will eat the goat. So, we cannot leave the wolf and the goat alone anywhere. Rule number 3 says, if the goat and the cabbage are alone on the same riverbank, the goat will eat the cabbage. So, we cannot leave the goat and the cabbage alone anywhere. Okay, so let's see how to solve this puzzle. Before you see the solution, pause the video and try it on your own using pen and paper, and then come back and see if your answer is correct or not. Let's start. First, the farmer and the goat will mount the raft and go to the other side. Now, the farmer will come back alone. Then, the farmer and the wolf will travel to that side. The farmer and the goat will come back. We could not leave the goat and the wolf alone on that side. Now, the farmer and the cabbage will travel. The farmer will come back. And finally, the farmer and the goat will go to the other side. And bingo! We have solved the puzzle. Thanks for watching.